Here's what the coming and going of a train whistle means to me and why it's haunting to me. A train whistle is loud. Not only that, but it signifies the arrival into the city, the arrival of goods, the arrival of people, the arrival of, I don't know, the arrival of everybody being together. The best way I can describe it. But when it's leaving, with the Doppler effect, it starts sounding like, that signifies all that is leaving. And once again, you're left alone, lonely. It came, it went, but you missed it. And maybe we'll get to hear what I'm talking about here. Yeah, the whistle, the departing whistle, as the Doppler effect makes it sound more winsome than it did when it was coming. It's like all the chance to be of togetherness with all those people in the city. There are things that the city uses to make that happen. You know, businesses, food, excitement, fun. It's leaving. The sound of it leaving. And it's haunting because we know one day the party cannot last forever. We know one day it's going to have to come to an end. What are we going to be left with? Nothing but ourselves. And that's a sad, bluesy thought. Gonna miss those people.